Horses out, we have Immaculate, pass to begin, Money Queen moving up on the outside, now is No Money, No Honey, Love Story and Dancing Storm, says the early trailer, we have No Money, No Honey by about 3 lengths, and in second is Immaculate, and on the outside third is Money Queen, Dancing Storms, Love Story, and going along for the first turn, we have No Money, No Honey by about 3 lengths. Love Story, Immaculate is on the outside. A length and a half back and forth. Money Queen and Dancing Storm still racing in last. That's still No Money, No Honey by about 2 lengths. Immaculate, Money Queen now trying to get closer on the outside together with Dancing Storms. Love Story, we have No Money, No Honey. Immaculate and on the outside, Money Queen, Dancing Storms. Joining them on the outside, Port and Love Story. Immaculate, No Money, No Honey. Money Queen, Dancing Storms is on the outside, Port. But it's still No Money, No Honey. And on the outside is Immaculate. Money Queen in third, Dancing Storms in fourth. As they come down to the last 150. No Money, No Honey. Still in front, and on the outside is Immaculate. Dancing Storms, No Money, No Honey. Immaculate, Dancing Storms is on the outside. Entering the finish line. It's going to be No Money, No Honey. Immaculate, Dancing Storms. Then comes Money Queen, Love Story.
Racing Festival. Dito naman tayo sa race number 6, the Marjorie de Vera Race. Won by Longshot Horse. Isa pa, Marjorie de Vera Race. Alright. Sama pa rin natin siyempre ang mga supporters natin from the city of Makati. Councilor Arnold Magpantay, Leo Magpantay, Ruth Tolentino, Techi De Lara, Henry Jacome, Pari Pangilinan, Luis Xavier, andito pa rin si Your Honor, Congresswoman Lagdameo, at si Cap Abol, nandito pa rin, at ang bumubuo ng Manila Horsepower, President, Vice President, Chairman, at saka si Dayton ng Marketing Department ng San Lazaro Leisure Park. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Bayang Karilista, tawagin na natin ang representative ng Dehadong Kabayo, si No Money, No Honey. Sino po ang tatanggap? Pati yung sota po ng kabayong No Money, No Honey, tinatawagan na rin natin. At kunin mo na yung bisikleta mo dito. Konting bilis lang po. At Manoy, habang inihintay natin yan, pare, batiin ko lang yung iba natin mga racing fans dyan sa San Juan. Sila Mr. Ricky Tubo. Congratulations sa Ultra Code team of Attorney Gerald. At saka si Rico Roel dyan, mga Manila Horsepower members sa Paliko OTB. Si Patrick, saka si Romy ng Antipolo. Ayan. Mr. Nathan Maso, with your permission, siningit ko lang yung mga greetings. Sino po? Representative ni Mr. Mendres. Kung wala po, ay andyan na ba? Nandiyan na siya? Asan? If kayo po. O sige, halika, kayo na lang. Konting bilis na po, sir. Halika kayo. Itong kabayan na to, dating pag-aari ni Mr. Nap Chua, I understand. Ngayon ay kay Mr. W.A. Mendres. Ano pa pangalan nila, sir?
Aray Prago, sa trainer ni No Money, No Honey.
Oh, kayo po ang trainer. Si Mr. Ragos, ayan, yung trainer po mismo ang tatanggap in behalf of the owner. Ayun po, tanggapin po ninyo from Ma'am Marjorie de Vera ang trophy. Congratulations! Mr. Ragos, sino po ang sota ninyo?
Ha?
Sota po.
Uy,
Kayo na rin ho ang magdala ng bisikleta at mamaya hanap tayo ng mga katulong ninyo. Ma'am Marjorie, any message from you para sa anniversary po ng Manila Horsepower?
Binabati ko lang po lahat ng mga horse racing enthusiast. Kami naman po ay talagang sumusuporta sa sports na ito dahil maraming nasisiyahan at natutuwa. Maraming salamat po.
Sabi ni Mr. Ragos, yung trainer po ng kabayong nanalo, taga Carmona, Makati din daw siya. Ayan. Proud resident of Makati. At ang, alam mo ba kung ano ang susunod na karera natin?
Manila Horsepower President and Chairman Cup.
Yan ang susunod na karera. At alam mo ba na may premyo tayo dyan? Tingnan mo nga, may premyo ba?
Yes. Winning guaranteed prize 140,000 to the winner only.
Sino magbibigay? Ikaw?
Yes.
Oh, ano? Bibigyan nga ng isang malutong na kiss mamaya yung mananalo dyan. Coming up, the dedicated. At ito po ay dedicated sa paborito natin trainer. Walang iba kundi si Cap Abong Guse. And that is up next in the next race. Magkita-kita po tayo mamaya ulit. We will be right back.